This one's kind of crazy. I won't have anything on the test like this, obviously, but this is kind of good to kind of analyzing chords when you start seeing them. You have to check out all of the notes that are in whatever's in the box. So an example of this one is you have an A, a C, and an E in there. All right? So we'll start with this one. We have an E, we got a B, we got a G in there. Alright, is anything sharp? Yes, there's a G sharp in there. Alright, so what chord is this? Well, the key of E, there is a G sharp, so let's see. Alright, number 2. There's an A, there's a C, and there's an E. In the key signature, there is a C sharp, right? And that is an A chord. Okay, this one, it's got an A, it's got a D, and it's got an F. In the key signature, there's an F sharp. So the key of D is an F sharp, so that makes that D. All right. Number 4. There's a G. There's a B and there's a D. There's even an F sharp in there. So what does that make this? This makes this a G major 7 chord. All right. We have a G. We have a C. We got an E. Well, looks like a C major to me. All right, what do we got? I got an E. We got a G. And we got a B. And the key signature, that makes those flat. And in the key of E flat, those two are in there. All right, we got a B. We have an A. So I'll put the A down here. So I'll put the A here. I'll put a B down here. We got a D. We got an F. Alright, so using the key signature, we have an A flat and a B flat. So in the key of B flat, you want to have 2 flats. So you have a B flat and an E flat. So that's been lowered, so that means that's a B7. Alright. And, G, a B, and a D. Alright, so that is just a G chord. At 9, we got an F, we got an A, we got a D. Alright, and we also have an F sharp with the key signature. So it makes that D. Because there is an F sharp with the key of D. Okay, 10, it's got an E, it's got a G, it's got a B. Key of E, there's supposed to be a G sharp. It's been lowered. That's E minor. Alright, we got a B, D, and F. In the key signature, you also have an F sharp. Okay, in the key of B, there's supposed to be a D sharp in here also. It's been lowered. So it's a B minor. Alright, let's see. We got a C, E, and a G. And that's just C major. 13, we got a G, we got a B, we got a D. Well, there's your G chord. All right, 14, got an A, got a D, got an F, got a D chord. Got a G, and a D, got B on top. It's not a G chord. All right, 16. Got a lot of notes in here. But they're all about the same. Got a G there. Have a D. G, D, G, D. Oh, there's a B right there. And that's it. They're all just G, D, and B. Just kind of rounding around there. There's your G chord. Alright. What do we have here? Got an F sharp. Got a C. Got a D. Just stacking up thirds here. You got an A. Alright, key of D is supposed to be a C sharp and an F sharp. That has been lowered, so that means that is dominant 7th. Alright, what do we got here? We got a B sharp. Got a G sharp. The key signature. We also have a D. And an F. And we also have a D sharp and an F sharp. So let's make it simpler and just bring everything down a half step. So what is that? Well, the key of G is supposed to be an F sharp. So it's not, so that means it's been lowered, so that means it's dominant G. Raise everything back up again, that is a G sharp, dominant 7. The 2, we have a C, E, and a G, G, E, C. In the key signature, we have a C sharp and a G sharp. Bring everything down a step, and we get this. So that looks like C minor to me. Number 3, we have a C, E, and a G. And that's about it. So that's just simply a C. What do we got there? We got a C, got a D there, got an A. There's an F there. Alright, so what is that? Well, the key of G is supposed to be F sharp and a C sharp, and those have been lowered, so that means the 3rd and the 7th, so that's a D minor 7. Okay, I imagine they probably meant to put this 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yeah, whatever. Okay, so we have a G, a C. Alright, so that looks like C major to me. Okay, what do we got here? We have an A, a C in there. F on top there. So it's F major chord. Key of F is going B flat. Alright, so we got an F here. You have a C there. You have an A there. Now the key signature, we have an F sharp and a C sharp. Alright, so in the key of F sharp, if you want to do everything, do that, you can count how many there are, or you can go down a half step of everything. And so, yeah, now that's looks like F minor to me. So that means that's an F sharp minor. All right, 8. We got C. We got E. We got G. And they all have something there. So if you want to figure it out, just go down a half step of everything. That looks C major there. So that means it has a C sharp major chord there. All right, so we got F and C and an A. Is there anything else in there? It's just a bunch of F, C's, and A's. All right, so that's just an F chord. All right, 10, we got a D, we got an A, we got an F. Key signature is an F sharp. Well, the key of D have an F sharp, so it's D chord. We got B, we got an F, we got a D. And the key signature, you have the F sharp. So in the key of B, you're supposed to have a D sharp. It's been lowered, so that's B minor. 12, you have an E, a G, and what else do you have? You got your B there. All right, so there you go. Key of E is supposed to have a G sharp, it's not, so that's just E minor. Okay, 13, we have an F. We have a C. We got an A. We got E there. All right, so what is that? Because in the key of E, F, sorry, in the key of F, there's supposed to be nothing there, you know, but there's a flat there, so that makes it a dominant 7th chord. All right, what do we got here? We got B, we got D, we got an F. And the key signature is B flat. Well, looks like B flat major to me. If you look at the key signature and look at the. Alright, 15, what do we got? So we got a big E there, a G and a B. That's it. The key signature, we have the B and the E. So, just the key of E flat has both of them. Okay, so 16. We got a G, B, and a D. And the key signature, you have a flat. So, key of G is supposed to not have a flat in there, so that's G minor. D, F, and A. Is that it? Yeah, that's all you got. And it's supposed to be an F sharp to make it major, but it's not, so it's minor. We have an A, we got a C sharp, we got an E. Is that it? Yep. So, key of A has a C sharp. So you got the A. Alright, 19. We got B, got a D and an F. In the key signature, you have a B. So, key of B, you have both of those are natural. Alright, so that's it for these homeworks. I'll talk to you later.